It's Diet Coke chicken night. James gets free pop at work, and whenever he brings...
All right, let's give this one a try. Why did I do that? All right, here we go. All right, we're just gonna let this simmer for I think about 5 to 10 minutes. All right, I haven't touched this yet. I haven't tried the sauce once. I wanted to save my reaction for this video, so going straight into it. Look how tasty that looks, though. You wanna try it?
Is it bad?
No, it's actually pretty good. Better than you expect. Is it edible?
If you didn't tell me there was Diet Coke in it, and you told me it was just teriyaki chicken, I'd be like, okay.
This is amazing. It's almost like a barbecue. A very sweet barbecue. For the macros, you cannot beat this. 428 calories and 63 grams of protein. There's like no real Diet Coke flavor to it. 10 out of 10, would recommend.